Calibration of E+L tension controller. 1. Channel wiring. 2. Language selection. Click the menu button. Configuration. Click the language selection button to select the required language according to the national flag. 3. Restore factory settings. Firstly, switch to manual mode. Then, switch the output gear to any way, and click the menu button, configuration, click the select button system, click the default button, click OK to complete the recovery and return to the home screen automatically. 4. Magnetic particle calibration. Firstly, switch to manual mode, then switch the output gear to any way, and then click the menu button, configuration, input password in the pop-up keyboard interface. Click the selection button. Actuator, electric brake selection. Click ELBXX. Click Next Step to enter the calibration picture. Then select the OP. Click the left blue rectangle button. Then select the maximum OP. Click the left blue rectangle button again until the lower left corner. Display the normal tick. Continuously click the exit button until you return to the main screen. 5. Sensor calibration. First of all, ensure that the sensor shaft and magnetic powder shaft have no load. First, switch to manual mode and switch the output gear to any way, and then click the menu button, configuration, input password in the pop-up keyboard interface. Click Export button. Input password in the pop-up keyboard interface. Click Tension Sensor Calibration button. Click the 0-point calibration button. If the 0-point calibration here is checked, click the right Reset button to reset, and then click the Start 0-point calibration button. Rechecking here represents the completion of 0-point calibration, and continuously click the Exit button until you return to the main screen. 6. Calibration gain. First of all, ensure that the sensor shaft and magnetic powder shaft have no load. First, switch to manual mode and switch the output gear to any way. And then, click the menu button, configuration, input password in the pop-up keyboard interface. Click Export button, input password in the pop-up keyboard interface. Click Tension Sensor Calibration button. Click the Gain button to enter the range selection, and select 1 millivolt, volt. Click the Next button to enter the gain calibration. If the check has been completed, then click the right Reset button. Then, hang 22 kg weight on the tension roller according to the film path to ensure that it is in the middle of the roller. Then, in this input box, input weight 220 unit-newton. Then click the Start Calibration Gain button until recheck has been completed, which represents the completion of gain calibration. Continue to click the Exit button until you return to the main screen.